short day at work today. Well, at the office. I'm headed home. It is, what is it, Tuesday? People don't know how to drive because it's freezing outside. Well, headed home because it is freeze day today. Everything it's kind of snow sleet right now, guys, but it is expected in the next like hour or two to freeze over, and everything that you see that's wet right now is going to freeze over and be ice. So I was the only one at the office anyways, so I'm headed home, gonna set up the computer and work from home today. You know, you can see all the roofs are starting to freeze over and roads are getting icy. I know everybody from the Great White North, this is just like, you know, a regular day, but for us down here in Texas, this shuts us down. This is pretty much puts us out for the day and everything. So I don't think we're gonna do any work on the house tonight because it's too cold. I don't have a heater in that house yet. Well, I do have a heater, but new fire truck. But we still have holes in the walls, and the heat doesn't stay in there. I got a small heater running for the cats, but other than that, the house is just miserable to work in. So today's just gonna be a work at home day and relax day. But you saw us build the wall for the garage and get the new tool chest and everything in, so that's awesome. We will finish that wall hopefully on the second part of this video. Actually get to work on the house. See you guys in a second. Just to give you guys kind of a idea of how cold it is, the headlights on the track car, all iced over, iced. The whole windshield's iced, ice. Is the door open? I don't know, seal. All the snow on the back, the snow and ice. Pretty cool seeing it all like that. It's because it's like a freezing rain right now. You can see the trailer. Yeah, look at the trailer, guys. The trailer is completely ice. Not used to this kind of weather here, guys. You know, oh god, that's slippery. But you can see the top of the house is iced over too. So everything's starting to freeze. But yeah. Heck yeah, guys. Freeze day here. Don't know why the fire truck's here, but they're here. Probably a slip and fall or something, but it's cold, guys. It's cold. All the cool icicles on the house. Awesome! They're on the chair too. Yeah. Poor fern plant is iced over like a, oh my.
Like, yeah, look at the.
Oh, I can't even move it. Oh.
But look how. What?
Yeah, that plant is dead. Oh my goodness. It's so much ice. Oh, it's crazy. Marissa over here doing saying M in the snow.
It stands for Charlie and Marissa.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. The pool's not frozen though. But everything else is. Okay, guys. The freeze is over, which you just saw. You saw us build our garage wall last video. This video, I believe we're gonna see. It's really up in the air. I haven't really kind of devised a plan for today. Think we're gonna replace the windows in the back and the side, and also pull down the rest of the ceiling. So we need to get up and chop back all the rest of the insulation out of the ceiling and get that all cleaned up. I think Marissa's dad and brothers are coming over today to maybe help out, like get the windows out and that kind of stuff. And we might take this down. We might. We'll see. I'm not totally sure, but gotta get up there, pull all this stuff out first, and then we can knock this ceiling down. Let's get to it. So guys, before we finish up today, the FedEx guy nicely dropped off U. Brought to you by the letter U today. Dropped off this beautiful 3.5-inch 180-degree bend stainless steel tube. I grabbed this from Jegs online because for the time being I'm going to keep the supercharger on the Red M3, and I've since day one I've hated the flex hose intake that's been on it. So how the supercharger works is the intake's on the back side and the intake compressor wheel, so it wraps up and around and comes down and connects into the MAF, and that whole pipe is like a flex rubber pipe, and it, from day one, I thought it was ugly and horrible, and I've never liked it. And you know, now I'm thinking of, for the time being, till I finish the house, I'm going to redo the tune with arcade tunes on the M3 and redo the intake. So that's why I snagged this. The supercharger is a stage 2, so the compressor side of stuff is 3.5 inches to match the Euromaf and all of that stuff. So I needed a 3.5 inch pipe to work with. So you know, in an upcoming video, hopefully soon, you'll see us. We'll cut this pipe probably right in here. That'll be the back side of the supercharger, and then we'll pie cut around here and however we got to do, and make a whole custom intake out of hard pipe for the M3. Should be pretty nifty. I then got to decide if I'm just gonna powder coat it black, you know, carbon fiber overlay, or I make this as the template and I make a whole carbon fiber intake. You know, that might be down the road as well, but for now it's gonna be the hard metal pipe. But jump back to the house. Hey guys, so this is a short video this week. You saw us pull down the whole ceiling. So the whole ceiling in the entire living room is down. We cleaned up. We took the sheetrock off of these walls here. We put up insulation in this wall here up to the electrical. We're still working on electrical, getting everything wired. So we have all new plugs in the garage and in here. Whole bunch of good stuff going on. I did wire all my security system wires. We have all those where they need to be. They're gonna get zip tied together once they go through the plate up there, and then they're gonna come down here and come out where we're gonna have a little pull box for all my security system stuff. So you know, freeze really took it out of us this week, guys. You saw earlier in the video that knocked off a whole bunch of days off of our working, but we're still moving forward, still doing stuff. So stay tuned, like the channel, subscribe. Also, go get yourself a sticker, the Texas E36 garage sticker off my website. Link's gonna be in the description below. If you haven't checked it out, check out the website. Tony and Sammy, both, their stickers are coming out. They'll be released this coming week, hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. Go check out, grab their stickers. If you buy all 3 stickers, I'll do all 3 stickers for $15. So hit up the website, grab a sticker, help support. I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, keep moving forward.